There's someone online. Hello, Hadira.
What did you just say?
Hello. Can I check with you? Do you have this with you? Hello? You don't have it. Okay, wait. Okay, maybe in the meantime, first, can you take out like a full scrap paper, an empty paper? Is that okay?
Yeah, I have paper.
Okay, can. You can take out paper first. I'll ask the admin to help send this over because we'll be doing on bar graphs today. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Krista. Krista, here's your stuff. Can you help me take out your pencil, please? Krista.
Oh, I want to do the puzzle.
Krista, can you help me take the pencil, take out your pencil, please? Okay. So today we'll be starting on bar graphs, and last week we had our test, but I still need some time to mark. Okay, so before we can go through the bar graphs again. All right.
Are you hiding there?
Come, Jason, you want to take out your pencil, please? Can. I think we should start first. Okay, so just write your name if you have, and then we'll move on to the first question. So we will be talking about bar graph for primary 3, and here are the student outcomes. Okay, the first one is to read and interpret data from bar graph. Second is to read different scales on the axis. Okay, so this is the first question. All right. So, okay. In the meantime, the admin will join the Zoom and send you the link to, or the PDF online, and they will first start first. Okay. So the first question is, the table below shows ice cream flavors preferred by some primary 3 students. Okay. So you have 5 flavors: chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, mint chocolate chip, and cookies and cream. Okay, so we have each bar or each graph is represented by one ice cream cone, and at the bottom here it says that each ice cream cone represents 4 students. Okay, so let's start off and look here. So chocolate has 6 ice cream cones. Okay, so we can take 6 times 4, and this gives us 24. Okay, so moving on, we have the strawberry. Strawberry has 3 ice cream cones. So 3 ice cream cones times,
So
3 times 4 students equals 12. Okay, next we have vanilla. We have 4 ice cream cones, each
that
represent,
means that means 4 times 4.
yes, 4 times 4. Do you know what's 4 times 4?
So 16.
Yep, correct, 16. So 4 times 4 equals to 16. Good job. Then the next one, mint chocolate chip. So how many students like mint chocolate chip? Can you tell me?
1.
Okay, it's one ice cream cone, but one ice cream cone is equals to how many students?
Uh, 4 student.
Four students. So here is 1 times 4. This gives us 4 students. Okay, how about cookies and cream? You want to tell me how many students like cookies and cream?
5.
Okay, so wait, there's 5 ice cream cones. So how many students like cookies and cream?
20.
Correct. So 5 times 4 is equals to
Equals to 20.
20. All right. Okay, so we have to complete the bar graph below to represent the above information. So we know chocolate has 24. So here 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. Okay, so you can refer back to the information above. Can I check with you? Can you tell me how many students like strawberry?
12.
12, correct? So we're going to put 12 in the bar graph below. So you have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. This is 12. So 12 will be right here. We're going to draw it like this. And then we're going to shade. Okay, the next one will be cookies and cream. Okay, you want to tell me how many students like cookies and cream?
20.
20. Okay. So same like the one that we do for strawberry or cookies and cream, you're gonna put for 20. So we know 20 line is here. The line for 20 students is here. Okay. So I'm just going to draw it like that. Okay. And then we are going to shade. Okay, just like that. Okay. So we have 20 for cookies and cream. We have 12 for strawberry. Okay. So looking at the bar graph here, can you tell me how many students like vanilla?
Me. I like 16.
Yep, correct, 16. And then how about mint chocolate chip?
4.
Yep, correct, 4. Good job. All right. All right, let me just check with the admin whether they have sent the PDF. I think for bar graph, it's more important that you try and have the bar graph or the PDF first. So wait,
Papa.
Yeah, Hanira. Can I check if your parents have received the PDF?
Uh, my PDF is at home.
Okay, the PDF is at home. Do you have like a tablet for you to write on?
No, I only can do at the computer.
Okay, you can do it on computer. Okay, no worries. But do you have a empty piece of paper with you? Can you show me
Yes.
your empty paper? Okay, can. So Now I'm going to show you the questions listed and then we can do it there, okay? So for example, then you try to refer to the screen lah. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, boleh. Can. So let's look at question number 2. Okay. The graph below shows the number of pens Mr. Chen sold over 5 days. Okay. So you have from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay. So for question number 1, okay, you can refer to the graph. The question asks, which day did Mr. Chen sell the greatest number of pens? Okay, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to try to do this question. Then you can, or maybe you can just tell me which day do you think Mr. Chen sell the greatest number of pens?
Monday.
Monday, okay, correct. You can just write down Monday on your paper. Okay? Okay. Okay. Question B. Next question. Okay. How many days did Mr. Chen sell at least 40 pens? Can you try to do this question? Okay, Hadira, have you figured out how many days did he sell at least 40 pens? I think you're muted, sorry.
Maybe 3 days.
Okay, maybe 3 days. Okay, let's look together. Okay, can you first count for me how many pens was sold on Monday?
Monday.
Okay, sorry, can you repeat again one more time? Do you think how many pens did Mr. Chen sell on Monday? Can you help me count based on this graph?
That means I count until like 1, then until 20, or I count until like 10.
Okay, that's a valid question. Okay, so when you come to this graph, right, you have to understand how to count. Okay, so for example, you have one block here, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after 4 steps, the number go from 0 to 20. Okay, then we want to find out how many.
So that means we need to tap the 4 and become 20.
Okay, so from 4 blocks, then it becomes 20. So how to find out what is the number for one block? Okay, so we
So
take
that
20.
means So that means we need to time lah.
We take divide. So we take 20 divide by 4. Do you know how to do this?
Yes.
Okay, come. What's 20 divided by 4?
5 is 5.
Yes. 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. Okay, so can you give me the times table for 5? 5, 10,
5, 10, 15,
15, 20,
20,
25,
25,
30,
30, 35,
31,
40,
40, 45.
45, 50, 55, 60.
Okay, correct. Okay, so we have to do that for our label also. Okay, for example, okay, okay, so it's here 5, 10,
10, 15, 20,
20,
25,
30,
30,
35,
35,
40,
40, 45,
45, 50.
50,
Yeah, 40 here, 45, 50,
50, 55,
55, 60,
60, 65,
65,
70, 75,
75,
80.
80. Okay, so you find out what are the numbers in your y-axis already. So, can you tell me based on this graph, okay, how many pens was sold on Monday? Okay, I'm going to show you, okay? Nah,
65,
65, correct. Okay, how about Tuesday?
30,
30. Okay, how about Wednesday?
45,
45. How about Thursday?
25.
25. And finally, Friday.
I can't see the Friday block.
Okay. Is this better?
Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
You have a ruler.
50.
If you have a ruler, you can put the ruler on the screen or your paper. Then you can compare nicely. Okay? You have a ruler with you?
I don't have ruler, but I just only have pencil.
Okay, so you use a pencil, you make a line. Does it point to 50? No, yeah, don't have to draw the line. Just using the pencil.
Yeah, 50.
50. All right, good job. Okay, so you were right. So how many days did he sell at least 40 pens? There are 3 days. Okay, tell me what days are those that he said at least 40 pens.
25, 30, and 35.
Eh? What do you mean? Is it like Monday? Is it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday?
Mm,
Which 3 days have at least 40 pens? Means more than 40 or more pens sold.
Tuesday.
Tuesday? Tuesday
Yes.
got more or less than 40?
Less than 40.
Okay, I want to look for the days that has more than 40. Can you tell me which one?
Mm,
Okay, let's look at Monday.
Friday.
Okay, Monday got 65, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Is 65 more than 40?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so we put here Monday. Okay, we put it here first Monday. Okay, let's look at Tuesday. 30. Is 30 more than 40?
No.
No. Okay, so we don't put Tuesday. Next, Wednesday. Wednesday got 45 pens. So is 45 more than 40?
Yes.
Okay, so we can put down Wednesday. Okay, then Thursday. Thursday got 25 pens. Is 25 more than 40 or same as 40?
Is less.
Is less than. Okay, so we don't put the 25. And then finally we have Friday. This
More than
is 50. It's 50 more than or equals to 40?
more than 40.
More than 40. Okay, so we put down here Friday. So these are the days that has at least 40 pens. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So altogether, 3 days. Am I correct? Understand? Okay, so you
Yes.
can put down. Alright.
Done.
Alright. Good job. Okay. Okay, the question asks, how many, wait, hello? Okay. The question asks, how many fewer pens did Mr. Chen sell on Tuesday than on Monday? How many fewer pens? How many fewer pens did Mr. Chen sell on Monday? Here. Hello?
No.
Hello? Okay. It's better now. Okay, so hello.
No.
Okay, I'm just testing. I'm so sorry. Okay, now let's look at this. How many fewer pens did Mr. Chen sell on Tuesday than on Monday? Okay, can you help me find out how many fewer pens did Mr. Chen sell? Do you know how to do this question?
No.
Okay, you don't know how to do. Okay, so you first tell me how many pens did Mr. Chen sell on Monday?
65.
Okay, 65. Okay, then how many pens did Mr. Chen sell on Tuesday?
Um, which I can't see.
Oh, you cannot see. Okay, it's better.
Yeah. 30.
30. Okay, so we have 30 on Monday, and then Tuesday we have, I'm so sorry. Monday we had 65.
That means is it 65 minus 30?
Correct. So you want to know how much more he sell. So we take
65.
65 minus 30. Can you help me find out what is 65 minus 30?
35.
35. Correct. Okay, so the answer is 35.
5.
Okay, then the question asks, how many pens did Mr. Chen sell over 5 days? So this means total. Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 minute to try. Okay, total means you have to add the Monday plus Tuesday plus
So that
Wednesday.
means I need to plus all the number.
Correct. That
Okay.
is total. Okay, can you help me?
The answer is 155.
Okay, and then this is equals to 235. It's 235. What answer do you get? Sorry, you are muted.
155.
155 again. And I ask you to do your sum again. See if you can get 235. This one. You do one more time. Sorry, see whether you can get 215. I'm so sorry. Yeah. 25. 115. Okay, you try. So you try to do 65 plus 28 plus 30 plus 45 plus 25 plus 50. Okay, now you have to try. See whether you can get 215. Hello, Hadira? You managed to do it? You need some time? Okay, I give you 2 more minutes. Is that okay? We try first.
I'm done.
Okay, you managed to get 215?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. All right, okay. So you understand how it works. So basically, you need to find out what are the quantity for each label. In this case, for example, this question, the label is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so for other questions, there will be other labels. Like for example, maybe it's about the months. Okay, like January, February, March. But it doesn't matter what the label is. You just have to find out the quantity or the number associated with each label. Okay, because you already know or you have an understanding of how question 2 is like. Okay, I'm going to show you question 3. Okay, so I want you to try question 3A and 3B. Okay, can you see the questions A and B? Can see?
Um,
Question A and question B. Can you see properly?
yeah.
Can you see the graph also? Can you see the square box that I made or the rectangular
Yeah.
box that I made?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to try to do this question. Okay, I give you maybe 5 minutes and see whether you can solve this. Okay? Okay, you try. Okay, on your paper, okay, for example, Hadira, okay, on your paper, I want you to write the number. For example, January dot dot how many, and then February, then dot dot how many. Is it okay? Okay, can.
Don't talk. Is is it January and May?
Hello, sorry.
Is it January and May?
Okay, this is January and May. Correct. And then, how about question B? Part B, you want to try?
Yeah.
Can.
Coach, I don't understand question B.
Okay, can you give me a minute for a while?
Adik quiet.
Okay, so okay, can you, okay, so can you help me read out question B?
In which month were there thrice as many cars sold as in January?
Okay, can you help me find out how many cars did they sell in January?
150.
150. Okay, how about February?
Uh, 500.
500. March?
Uh, 350.
350. How about April?
200.
200. And then May?
150.
And the last one?
450.
450. Okay, so, okay, give me a moment. Sorry. Okay, so what do you get from the word thrice?
That means 3.
3 times. Okay, so 3 times as more. Okay, so we have to take the number of cars sold in January times 3. Can you help me do that? What's 150 times 3?
Because I don't learn like 100.
Okay, sorry. What do you say?
Uh, I, I don't learn about 100 times.
Okay. Have you done the multiplication table before? Okay, for
Yeah,
example,
until 12.
150.
Sana.
Okay, so you take 150 times 3, like that. Okay. On your paper, I want you to draw the same thing. Okay? Okay, then we do 0 times 3. This gives us 0. Okay? And then we'll do 5 times 3. What's 5 times 3?
5, 3,
5 times 3?
15.
15. Okay? So like when you do a normal addition or subtraction table, can you put 5 here? Then we bring the 1 carry forward. Okay. 1 times 3?
3.
3. Okay? So, but then we have to plus the one that we bring forward. So 3 plus 1 gives us 4. Okay, so 150 times 3 is equals to 400 and
450.
correct. Okay, now can you look at the graph and tell me in which month did the number of cars sold equals to 450?
Mm, January and
No, I'm looking for 450.
June.
June, correct. So it's June. Okay, so let's try. Can you help me try question C and question D?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I'll end the best account. Then I end. Which can you go up? I can't see the graph.
Later you cannot see the question.
25.
I want you.
Friday
Okay, how about this? Is this better for you?
Yes.
Okay.
The answer is 150. Question
150. Okay. Let me have a look here. Okay. How many more cars were sold in March than in April? Okay, so you take the number sold in March, 350, minus the number of cars sold in April, 200.
because it's comparison.
Yes, correct. I think your camera is also turned off. Okay, so that's why you get 150. Okay, how about question D? Can you help me to do that?
Okay.
All right, good job.
Is it 1,000? Is it 1,000?
Okay, Vera, your answer is 1000, Vera. Okay, so you have to take.
I won't do it too.
Right. Okay, so the question asks how many cars were sold in the first 3 months of the year. Okay,
Uh,
so we have to find out the first 3 months. Can you tell me which are the first 3 months of the year?
January, February, and March.
Correct. Okay, so January, February, and March. So you have 150 plus
Plus
500.
500 plus 350.
All right. Okay, so this gives to 1000. You are absolutely correct. So this is 1000. Okay. How about you want to try question 4? No. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you try question 4. Maybe not question A lah. Okay. You don't have to complete, you don't have to draw the graph, but just tell me what's the number of children who read 3 books. Okay. Then after that, you try question B and question C. Is that okay?
So is it I need to read the question A, then that means I need to read from the graph?
Okay. Yes, you have to read from the graph, or you have to complete the graph above. Okay, let me go through question A, and then you can try to do question B and C first. Okay. So the graph below shows the number of books read by a group of 50 children during the holidays. So you have number of books 0, 1, 2,
Oh,
3, and 4.
4.
But, okay, is the number 3 filled up?
No.
No, so it's empty. However, you can find out the numbers for the 0 books read, question mark here. How about the one books read, question mark here, question mark here, and question mark here. So what are those numbers? Okay, then you know that there's a total of 50 children. Okay, so we can find out how many what's the number of children, or how many children read 3 books. Okay, so for 0 books read, there's 12 children. For 1, there's 10. For 2, there is 18. And for 3, there is 2. Okay, so then to find out the number of children who read 3 books, we will take 50 minus 12 minus 10 minus
Plus
18
18 minus
minus
2.
2. Okay, you want to help me find out what's the answer?
Yeah.
Can. Thank you.
I I
So what's the answer? Hello. You might be muted if you are saying the answer. Sorry.
I'm doing my table.
Okay, boleh. Can. I'll wait for you.
The answer is 8.
Okay, so correct. The answer is 8. Okay, you got it correct. So you have to draw on the paper lah. But if you have the paper, you can draw. But if you want, you can just leave it blank.
I already write.
Okay, good job. Okay, I want you to try question for part B and part C. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Is the answer 18?
So is the answer how many?
18.
Look at what?
Sorry, the
23.
answer is at most two books. The answer is 40. You want to try one more time? Did you manage to get 40? I can see if you manage to get 40. Maybe you are muted. Okay. So to find how many children read at most two books, okay, that means you must read two or less books.
Is the
Okay.
answer 23?
For part B, the answer is 40. Okay, I'm just going to go through, okay? How to get 40? Okay, how many children read at most two
I
books?
can't see the graph.
Okay, you can see the graph. Okay, so how many children read at most two books? Okay, so we
Is
have to find
18.
out the number of children who read two or less books. Okay, so look at 0, we have 12 here. At 1, we have 10. At 2 books, we have 18.
18.
Okay, so we have to plus these three together. 12 plus,
12 plus 10 plus 18.
how much will this give you? What's the answer?
40.
Okay, so 12 plus 10 plus 18 equals to
40.
40. Correct. So at most, only 40 children read at most 2 books. Okay, then the question asks, how many books did the children read in total?
That means all together. Need to plus the 12, 10, 18, and the 2.
No. Okay, so we know that the number of children, so this, okay, for example, so number of children read one book. Okay, so we have to find out how many the books they read total. The 10 plus 18 plus 3 plus 4 plus 12 is the number of children, which is already told here, 50. So how do we do this question? Okay, for one book, okay, total is equals to 1 times 10. This gives us 10. Okay, you want to write that down? Okay, for two books total, okay, we have 18 children reading two books each. Okay, so what's 18 times 2?
18 times 2. Uh, Yes, later the photo. 36.
18 times 2?
36.
36, correct. 36. Okay, so for three books total, you write this down. Okay, we have 8 students. They read 3 books each. So we have to do 8 times 3. Do you know what's 8 times 3?
24.
24. Good job. And then the last one, 4 books total. Okay, we have 2 students reading 4 books each. So 2 times 4,
8.
8. Correct. Okay, so you have this number here, you have this number here, you have this number here, and you also have this number here. So we want to find how many books did the children read in total. So we take 10 plus 36 plus 24
24
plus
plus 8.
8. Okay, you want to try?
Yes.
Okay, come. You write down.
I write my table first.
Can you write your table?
The answer is 78.
78. Correct. Good job. Okay, 78. Okay, I did review part A, B, and C. So come, you want to try question 5?
Question 5.
Mm-hmm. Very similar to whatever that you've been doing. For example, question 3, question 4, then now it's just question 5. You want to try? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So we do question part A first.
Coach, I don't understand. Coach, I don't understand the question.
Okay. So no worries. Okay, can you help me read the question from here all
Uh,
the way until the end?
okay. The graph below shows the number of pets owned by each household in a neighborhood.
Mm-hmm. How about part A?
How many households do not own any pet?
Okay. When it always comes to bar graphs, do you remember the main thing that I need you to do? Okay, what's the first thing to do?
Mm,
And do you remember?
no.
No. Okay. So I want you to find the number for this graph here, this graph here, this graph here, this graph here, and find the number for this graph here, all 5 of them. Can you start off with that first? Okay, you want to try?
But then why is this the line? But then how to count until like
Okay.
50 to 100?
Okay, correct. Okay, so without counting the 0 and 50, let's count first. Okay, 0, 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Okay, so 10. After 10 blocks or 10 lines, it goes from 0 to 50. Okay, if 10 lines is equals to 50, what is one line?
Uh, 5.
5. Okay, so that means each
Ooh,
line here, it plus 5. Okay, so what does that mean? Do you know how to figure it out?
yeah.
Okay, you answer. What does this mean? You want to teach me? Maybe this is 5. Then what's next?
10, 50,
Mm-hmm.
20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45,
And then
50.
50. Correct?
That table 5 is same from the clock.
Yeah, the same as the graph here. Okay, so like that, can you help me find the value of the graph here? You try to do the same also. So if 45, then 50, what's after 50?
55,
55. Then you,
60,
okay, 60. Okay, all the way.
65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100,
Okay, what's after that?
105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 140,
No. 35. Is it
135,
140?
140, 145, and 150.
Okay, how about that? Continue.
155,
Mm-hmm.
100 and uh
What's after 55?
160,
Mm-hmm.
165,
Okay.
170, 175, 180, 188, 190,
85. 25,
and
190,
195.
195, 200. Okay, then now can you tell me what is the value of all the graph, each graph?
But we did not know this. The pet need to don't have a household or they have household.
Sorry, your question is?
Sometimes I don't know this. Sometimes they don't have household or they have household.
Okay, so all these household, some of them got pets. So some of them got zero pets. Some of them got one pet. Some of them got two pets. Some of them got three pets. Last one, some of them got four pets. Okay, I want you to find for me the number first. What is the number of this graph? How many household got zero pets?
Four.
Hmm?
Four.
Four? No, you have to take this graph here. Then you draw the line all the way down. So what's the number here?
125.
Okay, this is 125. Okay, one more time. I'm going to show you. Okay, so for the household that only has one pet. Okay, I'm gonna draw a line down here. So what's the number here?
160.
160. Can you help me to do for the rest? How
Uh,
about two pets? How many?
two pet. 180.
180. Next one, three pets.
Uh, 85.
85. Correct. Then four pets.
25.
25. All right. Good job. Okay. Then the question asks, how many households do not own
What?
any pets? Okay. From this statement, how many pets do you think they own?
Uh,
The word is not own. Is it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
uh, does the five come?
The 5? What 5?
Yeah. Just now you say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. No, the 5 doesn't count. Okay, so when they say how many household do not own any pets, it means how many household has zero pets. Okay, do you
Uh,
remember or can you tell me how many household has zero pets?
number 0.
Mm.
125.
Correct. So it's 125. So 125 households, they do not own any pets. Come, let's look at part B. Okay, the question asks you, okay, let me read question B.
How many households are there in the neighborhood?
Okay, how many households are there in the neighborhood? Okay, this means total household. Okay, what do you understand from total household?
Uh, how many households are there in the neighborhood?
Sorry, can you repeat one more time?
Uh, is it the total? That means all.
Yes, correct, all. So you have to
That
take
means 0 to 4.
hmm?
That means is it 0 to 4?
It is 0 to 4. So can you tell me what plus what plus what plus what plus what?
Oh, okay.
Any ideas?
No.
Okay, so we want to find the total household. Okay, for 0 pets, how many household are there?
125.
Correct. For 1 household?
160.
Okay, for 2 household?
180.
Okay, then 3 household?
Uh, 85.
Correct.
And
And then
the
the
number 4 is 85.
okay, so 25. So total mean you have to take all the numbers that you've mentioned, then you add up.
Um,
Okay? Is that okay for you? You want to
uh,
try?
no.
You don't want to try?
I don't know what is the answer.
You don't know what's the answer. Okay, let me guide you, okay? So 125 plus 160 plus 180 plus what should I plus next?
Uh, 85 and 25.
85 and 25. Okay, so this is total household. Okay, can you help me do the addition?
Yes.
Okay, can you help me?
The answer is 275.
So your answer is 275. No, the answer
Yes.
is different. The answer is 575. Did you get that?
Uh,
And the answer
no.
is 575. Maybe you forgot to add the one, the all in the hundreds position.
I
Okay.
already get the 575.
Okay, you got 575?
Yes.
Okay, come. Good job. Okay, next one. Last question. How many pets are there in total? Okay,
Mm,
125 has 0 pets, so you don't have to do that. So we take 160 times 1 plus 180 times 2, then 85 times 3, and 25 times 4. So let's do this together. One pet total, can you help me write this down? Okay, is equals to 160
okay.
household times one pet each.
Can't see. I can't see.
Okay, like that. Is it better?
Uh, yes.
Yeah, like that. Okay, 160 times 1. This gives me 160.
60.
Okay, next. Two pets
Uh,
total.
2 times 180.
2 times 100 and?
80.
Correct. 2 times 180. Do you know what's the answer?
Uh,
Never mind, it's okay. The answer is 360. Okay, then 3 pet total. What is it?
uh, 85.
85 times
85 times 3.
times 3. Okay, this gives me
Uh,
255. Okay, and the
255
last one, 4 pets total. This is 25 times 4, which gives me 100. Okay, so we have to add all of this up. 160 plus
like
160 plus
160
100 plus 255. Okay. 160 plus 360 plus 100 plus 255. So total, how many pets are there total? 875. Okay. All right. You understand a bit better now?
yeah,
So I want to give you homework. Is that okay?
okay.
Do you have the PDF? What did you say about the PDF just now?
The PDF is at home.
At home? You're not at home right now?
No,
Where are you now?
at the beach.
Oh, you're at the beach. Okay, good. Okay.
I
Understand,
wear my
understand.
slippers as well.
Oh, you're already wearing your beach attire. Is it crowded there?
Yeah,
Okay, can. Okay. It's okay. I think so. That means next week will you be at home or will you attend at the beach again?
at home.
At home. Okay. So no worries. Okay.
Sometimes I don't know. I go to Malaysia, Johor. I don't know where I go lah.
Okay. So never mind. Don't worry. Okay. So I give you homework. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. You want to write down homework question?
Yeah. See,
Okay. And
yes,
question
okay.
7.
3, 7.
Okay. That's it. 2 questions only. Is it
Okay.
okay?
Yes.
So, okay, thank you so much. Okay, enjoy your
Bye.
beach day, okay? When is school starting for you?
Okay.
Monday?
Yeah, Monday start I school.
Okay, okay, can. No worries. Enjoy your beach day and use. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, that's a good burp.